Alright, y'all. It's me, Alice Sage again. I'm back to do another reading for you guys. The reading today will be for the collection. This song that's playing now is Come Fly Away With Me. And I've been hearing it all day. I've been working on it. My son actually wrote this. So we're going to get into this. Y'all might hear him in the background. He's not only an officer in the Navy, he is also a gamer. So he gets excited. It gets pretty intense with him. So y'all please forgive. Alright, I got that turned down some, so let's get up in this and see what's going on. Alright. Let's see what's going on. Let's see what is going on. Like they're ready. Right, Spirit. Let's see what's going on with this. Alright, we got us a jumper right off. Rip. Night one. Oh yeah, somebody want y'all to come fly away with them for real. Alright, Divine. What else would you like to tell us about this? Somebody who has a lot of passion for y'all, I'll tell y'all that now. Alright. Death card. Death and rebirth. Alright. It's somebody who has finally become enlightened when it comes to y'all. It was someone that was in your distant past. I mean, now, even though this is the Knight of Wands, it has the Four of Wands that she's in between. So this has to be someone that y'all shared a home with. But they probably got a wild bird up their tail. Excuse me. They probably got a wild bird up their tail, and you know, they had to run off. You see that horse right there? So they had to run off. But now it seems like they become enlightened, and they're desiring to have a new birth with you, a transformation of y'all's previous relationship. So far, so good. So let's get into this a little bit further. What else would you like your collective to know? Alright. Alright, we got the Three of Cups here. Now, this one right here is a hard one. You know, a lot of people will say, oh, it was a third party, this, that, and other. They've been cheating on you, this, that, and other. You know, it could be that. I'm not going to say that. I'm not going to say it is. I'm not going to say it ain't. Not yet. Not till I clarify that. Very well could be, very well couldn't be. So I'm going to go with this deck. And oh, come on, Divine. Alright, everybody who knows me know I listen when Divine tells me. Divine had already told me to pull one of these, but y'all know I'm hard-headed too. So, we're gonna go with the angel deck. See what the angels have to say about this. I mean, me, I don't assume anything when it comes to tarot. I can put y'all something out there just as plain as day, make it sound good. But I don't play them kind of games because I know that I'm the one that's got to sleep with it at night. So let's get up in here. Spirit, why is that 3 of Cups over here? That felt more of a slip of hand. I'm going to look at it, but I'm going to see if Spirit desires for another one to come out. Divine, is there anything else? It's tight too, y'all. Is there anything else when it comes to that 3 of Cups? Alright. Anything else? Alright, we're going to see if they both going to tie in. Set those right there. Alright. The Magician, Archangel Raziel. You are ready. You have the resources or the ability to manifest them. Life is magical. 6 of Fire. Victory. Good news is on the way. Public recognition or awards. Alright. Way Divine telling me this. And it's funny how these 2 colors came out together. So the Divine did mean for this card to come out over here, the 6 of Fire. Alright. This individual right here, they do desire. They know that life is good for them now. So the individual that you're inquiring about, most likely, like I said, that's the reason I checked this one over him. It wasn't a third party. The only third party that it was them getting up on their feet. Them doing what the Divine desired for them to do. Now, they're still a knight now, but they are transforming into that magician. Now, I'm telling you, that magician is powerful. And that's Archangel Raziel. I mean, one of the most powerful that there is. So the Divine is all over this. Alright, so past, present, coming in. Alright, Divine. Ten of Pentacles and the 6 of Swords. The individual that you're inquiring about, they're ready to move away from the bull. And pretty soon, y'all gonna have, with this 8 of Wands on the bottom, pretty soon that communication gonna come in to y'all. Because they ready to have this 10 of Pentacles with y'all. And not only that, y'all gonna be happy. They're ready to move on. See that 3 back there, them 3 birds right there. That's back there. You see them in this boat. They coming in. They done sent all that bullshit on. They ain't want none of that bullshit in their life no more. All the playing and all that, they ain't got time for that. They mind on you and on their money. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Don't get no better. Y'all see that? That Queen of Pentacles. And guess what? See, they looking over here at you. Because they ready to move on from it. Move. They so ready. They ready to come in. They asking you, and see, told you somebody from the past. Look at it. Look at it. 6 of Cups. They ready, y'all. Like I said, that song, Come Fly Away With Me. That's the one that kept on my mind all day. All day. Come fly away with me. Look. They ready for you to come fly away with them. They ain't studying no third parties. They ready for you. Sometimes, you know what I'm saying, I've been guilty of it myself, shoot. Sometimes I've been guilty of I don't know what, pride, everything else. And I don't think it was so much pride, but if I'm going to be with somebody, I need to work on me first. And I mean, how am I going to help you if I can't help myself? I mean, I got to have something to bring to the table too. That's why I left my YouTube channel and now having to start over from scratch. And it wasn't just that. I mean, I'm keeping it 100 with y'all. It wasn't just that. I had to make sure, you know, that I was right with God. I mean, you know, sometimes people say, oh, that's of the devil, this, that, and another. I had to get off and get with the divine and make sure that this is what I was supposed to be doing. That's the reason I'm back. I don't care what nobody say. I'm back, you know. It is what it is. Divine, is there anything else that you would like your collective to know? Is there anything else that you would like your collective to know? Is there anything else? It is so funny how when you speak something, it comes like it does. Like I told you, I made the judgment. Oh, look at that. Look. Oh, okay. Thank you, Divine. Thank you. Y'all see on this 6? This 6, I mean, the divine do stuff. Who? Y'all see this 6 of Swords that I was talking about? The Fool. Judgment. What was I just saying? And this devil. Look at this. The reason they came out sideways, she's sitting here. See how all these colors lining up? I mean, it's beautiful. She's sitting here. And she thinking about all the time. I need y'all to really look at this, if you can see it. She's sitting here, because it was like this. And in the back of her mind, she thinking about how the devil had her like the puppet on them strings. Sometimes we all sit back and we reminisce and we think about it. Me, my channel had started doing good. But I got scared. I ain't even gonna lie. I got scared. And I went before the Lord. I went before the Most Divine. And I prayed. And I know I was conflicted. Just like a lot of y'all. Y'all be conflicted. You be conflicted. You be conflicted. You be wishing upon a star. Because you be trying to hold on. But you know that you ready to let them burdens down. But you see what? The divine got you standing on higher ground. You got to have that peace of mind. It's coming in. It's coming in fast. It's coming in fast. That individual that everything that you've been working on, you've been working on yourself. You've been showing yourself that self-love. Your love coming in, your ships coming in, your money coming in. Only thing about it, like this Queen of Pentacles is sitting here. Remember where the devil had you. Remember how you were on that puppet string. Don't ever take your walk for granted. Don't ever take your relationship for granted. Don't ever take what the divine has allowed you to have in this 3D realm. Don't ever take it for granted. Because just like it was given to you, it can easily be taken away from you. Alright, divine. Is there anything else that you would like? King of Water. Look at that. The individual that's coming in. They trustworthy, they compassionate, respected, cultured. Open your heart and mind to those around you. Trustworthy and heartfelt advice. Charity work. Yeah, sometimes you gotta give to get. Divine, is there anything else that you would like us to know? Is there anything else that you would like us to know? But I'll tell you, whoever it is, now you know that was a lie. Whoever it is that's coming in, they coming in for the long haul. Ace of Earth, see? The inflow of abundance, a promising business venture, important documents, or contracts. Please watch what comes to you. This right here was in the reverse. These right here weren't meant to come out. Up to you, whether you take the message or not. See, there you go again. Told y'all. That 8 of Wands, that communication coming in here pretty soon. That communication is coming in here pretty soon. Well, y'all, and don't, like I said, do not ever forget how that devil had you on the string now. How that devil was the puppet master. Much love, y'all.